Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to explore the complete story and walkthrough of our vehicle wheel alignment, spurring and balancing, queue management dashboard, built with native PHP 7.4 and procedural MySQL. Let's dive right into the tour, starting from the login gateway down to every core menu visible on the screen. Our journey begins at the secure authentication login page. Here, system administrators and workshop staff enter their credentials. Protected by secure password hashing, such as MD5/BCRYPT, and PHP session controls, this gateway ensures that only authorized personnel can access the core management system, keeping workshop operational data strictly secure. Once logged in as the administrator Utama, we land directly on the main command center shown in the interface. Real-time header banner displays the active module title, wheel alignment dashboard with transparent queue tracking, alongside a live calendar date picker, 07/29/2026. 24-hour incoming cars statistic, a dynamic bar chart tracking vehicle entries across every hour of the day, helping workshop managers analyze peak arrival times. Queue status ratio, a visual donut chart mapping out active statuses such as waiting, enter, alignment process, spurring, balancing, and completed jobs, CLSI. Active queue list, DAFTR and Trian Active displays real-time incoming vehicles, e.g. license plates B100 KKK and B800 OKE, their specific service types like spurring 3D computerization, completion estimates, and pricing tables with instant status badges. Moving down the sidebar navigation, the Kalola and Trian menu allows staff to manage incoming vehicles dynamically. Workshop operators can add new queue entries, update vehicle statuses from waiting to in progress, and monitor service flows seamlessly without page latency. The master layout menu acts as the configuration hub for workshop services. Here, administrators can manage service packages, such as standard 3D wheel alignments, balancing, or full combo packages, along with their respective pricing and descriptions displayed across the platform. Reporting menu provides deep financial visibility. It aggregates transaction data from completed wheel alignment and balancing services, generating structured financial summaries that help workshop owners audit daily, weekly, or monthly income. User management, administrators have full control over system access. This menu allows the master admin to add new staff accounts, update roles, modify security credentials, or deactivate accounts to maintain strict administrative governance. Finally, when the shift ends, clicking the Cellular System button safely destroys the active PHP session and redirects the user back to the secure login page, ensuring complete data protection. Stay tuned for more technical breakdowns and native PHP optimization tutorials in our next video.